Walking through areas where snakes are present can be dangerous without protection. In this video, we will show how to handcraft top quality covers from leather for the lower legs that are comfortable and provide excellent protection from snake bite. To make these snake gaiters, we must first select the leather, and in this case I have selected heavy duty 8 to 9 ounce vegetable tan cowhide. I have here in front of me some templates I made from the bag stiffener. I find this to be very good because it's durable, and in this case we'll be making a left and a right, so we could just flip it and cut the other side. So I'll first show you also, I have one for the toe piece, I'll call it, and one for the fastening straps that we'll make. So we'll first start with the 8 to 9 ounce vegetable tanned leather. And I will place my template, as you can see, and with my tracing fid I will carefully place it and trace around the outside. As you can see now, I will also mark all of the holes that we will use for rivets and snaps to fasten the closer straps, and also a strap down here on the bottom that'll go under the foot to keep the snake gaiter in place. I will also cut the toe piece out of 8 to 9 ounce vegetable tan leather. This can be the same for left and right, so you can cut two of these as you begin your cutting. Whenever you can, it's a good idea to use a straight edge as a guide so that you get nice clean lines every time. For the curved lines, I'll very carefully now follow the line with my knife. I will also very carefully cut out the toe plug or the toe piece with my knife. We will also need to cut some straps to hold the buckle and for the buckle tongue for fastening the gaiters to the leg. So I will first take some of my 8 to 9 ounce leather and make a straight edge. Next, I have set my strap cutter for 3/4 of an inch, which is the size of the buckles we're going to use, and now we will cut enough pieces to make the 8 straps that we're going to need. Next, I will take the template for the straps and I'll mark both ends, and then I will mark for the holes that we will punch. Then with the shears I will cut them to length. This can be done with a knife also. I like to use the shears because I find it very easy to use when you're cutting a curved line. Next, I will punch the holes as indicated on our pattern. One-eighth inch here, and where it will be fastened to the buckle, we'll have a little larger hole. Now for each of these longer straps, we'll also edge bevel both the top side and the back side to round off these edges. We'll also do the same thing to the tip. For the straps to hold the buckle, we will mark the holes, and then we will cut them to length using the shears and rounding off each end. Next, we will sky these down. And then we will punch the holes as indicated. And with the 1-inch oblong punch, we'll punch a slot for the tongue to come through. Now we will do this to the other 3 as well. Next, we will prepare the main part. I'm going to start with the corner punch. I'm going to round all 4 of the corners. Next, I will edge bevel all the way around the edges. It's not necessary to edge bevel in the rounded cutoff, but we'll edge bevel around all of the other edges, both front and back. Next, I will punch all of the holes as indicated on our pattern sheet. All of these, by the way, will be 1/8 of an inch holes, mainly for rivets, and down here with the bottom strap there'll be for a rivet on one side and a snap on the other side. But we'll just continue now punching all of these holes. And now for the heel strap, I'll punch as indicated, and then I will edge bevel both the top side and the back side. For the part now we're calling the toe part, I will take my edge beveler and bevel around the curved edge, both the front side and the back side. And then with my skiving knife, I will skive down to about 1/16 of an inch and back a little more than a 1/2 inch. This is important because we'll need that thinner when we attach it to the main part.